In economics, we deal with two very different worlds. One is the world of what is, and the other is the world of what should be. Getting these mixed up is the quickest way to lose an argument, or an exam mark. Let's distinguish between two statements in economics. Positive statement and normative statement. Positive statements are objective. They are based on facts, data, and cause and effect relationships. Think of them as the scientific side of economics. They can be tested and proven or disproven. A key characteristic of positive statements is that they describe the world as it actually exists. Here are two examples of positive statements. Example 1. If the price of coffee rises by 10%, the quantity demanded will fall. This is a hypothesis we can test with data. Example 2. The current unemployment rate is 5.2%.
On the other hand, normative statements are subjective. They are based on values, ethics, and opinions. They tell us what ought to be. You can't prove a normative statement with a calculator because it's a matter of belief.
A key characteristic of normative statements is that they often use words like should, ought to, better, or worse.
Example 1. The government should increase the minimum wage to help low-income workers.
Example 2. High sugar sodas ought to be taxed more heavily to improve public health.
Here's where it gets tricky. A positive statement doesn't have to be true. It just has to be testable. If I say the moon is made of green cheese, that's a positive statement. It's wrong, but we can test it. A normative statement, like the moon should be made of cheese, is just a vibe. Mastering this distinction helps you separate the data from the drama. Next time you read a headline, ask yourself, are they telling me how the world works or how they want it to look?